Welcome back to Tech for You AI. If you've ever wished you had more hours in your day, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and maybe even blow your mind. And the best part? You can start using them right after this video. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. Think of it as your digital assistant. Whether you're writing emails, creating study notes, or brainstorming business ideas, ChatGPT can do it in seconds. Example: instead of spending 20 minutes drafting a professional email, you just type, write a polite email asking for a meeting, and boom, it's done. That's 20 minutes saved right there. Next is Grammarly. It's not just spell check. It's your personal writing coach. It fixes grammar, suggests better words, and even adjusts tone. Example: if you're writing a job application, Grammarly can make sure your writing sounds confident and professional. No more embarrassing typos in important emails. Third, we have Canva AI. If you've ever struggled with design, this tool is a lifesaver. It lets you create presentations, posters, and Instagram posts, all with AI-powered templates. Example: if you ed a YouTube thumbnail, just tell Canva what you want, a modern tech thumbnail with blue tones, and it generates professional designs in seconds. No design degree required. Tool 4 is Notion AI. This is your all-in-one productivity hub. You can use it to summarize long notes, organize tasks, or even draft reports. Example: say you've got a 10-page research paper, Notion AI can give you a short summary in less than a minute. Students, professionals, or content creators, this tool is a real-time saver. And finally, Tool 5 is Runway ML. This one's for creators. It lets you edit videos with AI, remove backgrounds, generate text to video, or even replace objects in clips. Example: imagine removing a person from the background of your video without green screens or complicated editing software. Runway makes it as simple as clicking a button. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools that can save you time and make your life easier. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video, where we'll explore more on AI and what it means for you. Thanks for watching.